quick one. First of all, Chatana, the Stingy Men Association, Ordinary Branch, I didn't make Christmas. So, I want to wild Christmas. Secondly, many people naga uno for the season, yeah? Ilu uno. At least, draw yourself for ebebu your ancestors ubi. Ubi ndi ichi uno. Ki ijeba, obugodu no a bottle of hot drink or palm wine and cola. Ki nye person neba, mo bobu na nwune neba, just weloji. You see feature you ka ha chetakwa na nwa fani ya. Idebel fani eba, ba. So at the very least, bubble source if you achieve real reconnection with your ancestors for this season when you come back house, yeah, that would be a good one. So cheers. Also, if getting on a phone call with me can help any stage of your spiritual journey, right? I offer a consultation call, so let's get on the phone. Just DM me.